How to set custom status on Discord. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Discord on your device. Then click on You at the bottom right corner of your screen. In here, you'll find your profile. In your profile, you'll find a green button. Simply click on the green button, which will open this page. In here, click on Set a Custom Status at the bottom. After that, you'll find all these options. Type in your status, what you want. Then click on Clear At. You can click on Don't Clear. After you click on Don't Clear, it will only be cleared after you do it. Then you can also click on the emoji-like icon beside your status and select the emoji you want. After you've selected the emoji, press on Save at the top right corner of your screen. Then you're good to go. This is how to set custom status on Discord. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.